everybody, it's Corey, and I'm here today to show you guys how to cook chicken stir fry. It's really healthy and it tastes really good. Let's get to it. The first thing you want to do before you start cooking is you want to wash your hands. So wash your hands with soap. Once you're done washing your hands, you're going to want to wash, we're going to be using chicken, so we're going to want to wash the chicken. Now that we've washed our hands and we've washed the chicken, we're going to cut it into cubes. So we're going to start by cutting it into long strips. Now that we got the long strips, we're going to cube it. So we're just going to now that we got it cubed, we're going to put seasoning on it. And then we're going to put some pepper on it. To make sure that everything gets seasoned well, you're just going to kind of use your hands to mix it all together. We got our chicken cut up and it's seasoned. We're gonna put a pan on medium to high heat, and you can either use spray or vegetable oil. We use vegetable oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. And the pan is heating up. What you're gonna want to do, since we're making stir fry, is get some vegetables. We're using mixed vegetables. Peas, green beans, carrots, corn. So that's what we're going to be using. And now that the pan is heated up, we're going to put the chicken in. And you're going to want to spread the chicken out so it's evenly covering the pan. After it's been cooking a couple minutes, you'll start seeing that the outsides will start turning like a white golden brownish. So once you start seeing that, you're going to want to start flipping them over so the whole pieces of chicken get cooked. And they're golden brown all throughout. That's when you're going to want to add your veggies. So we're just going to take our veggies, add them in. You want to stir them in a little bit. We've let the vegetables cook with the chicken for a couple minutes. We're going to add our stir fry sauce. We'll do about 1/3 cup. Then we're also going to put in some General TSO sauce, another 1/3 cup. And then you're going to want to mix it and let it cook for another couple minutes. Let everything work its way in. We're going to be having rice with our stir fry. Just follow the directions on the package that you have with your rice. They all have different ways of cooking them. Ours is just 90 seconds in the microwave. You're just going to want to open it a little bit here. And then 50 seconds. So let's do that and we'll wait till that's done. Ours is done. When you see that the chicken has absorbed the color of the sauce, that means it's getting the flavor and that it's done. Just gotta wait for our rice and then we'll have our meat. Now that the rice is done and our chicken is done, we're gonna get a serving size of about 3 to 4 scoops. Like that. On top of the rice there. And that's stir fry with rice. Alright guys, thanks for joining me and learning how to cook stir fry. I hope it's a new recipe that you guys can try at home with your family. And I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. See ya.